Hello students, how are you all? First of all, wish you all a happy International Dance Day and I hope आप सभी घर पर सेफ होंगे, हैप्पी होंगे और अपनी स्टडी और बाकी चीज़ों पे फोकस कर रहे होंगे. So here I am to teach you today's dance lesson, and today's your dance lesson is contemporary dance. Your dance style is contemporary. So मैं आपको पहले contemporary के बारे में कुछ नॉलेज देती हूँ कि what is contemporary dance. Contemporary dance क्या है? तो contemporary जो डांस है वो डांस जो बैले डांस फॉर्म है हमारा, उससे ओरिजिनेट हुआ है, उससे मॉडिफाई होकर एक डांस फॉर्म निकला है जिसे हम कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस फॉर्म कहते हैं, कंटेम्प्रेरी कहते हैं जिसे हम. और इसमें बेसिकली क्या होता है, जैसे कि बैले जो डांस फॉर्म है उसमें काफ़ी सारे रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस के साथ आपको डांस करना पड़ता है. तो कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस इट इंक्लूड्स फ्लो ऑफ इमोशन. इस डांस फॉर्म में आपको फ्रीली आपकी बॉडी मूव करने का फ्रीडम होता है ऑन द म्यूज़िक, और आप इसमें अपने इमोशन को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं थ्रू डांस. ओके, बेसिकली जो कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस है, इट्स in this dance your body behave like a flute, okay, which flow like this. So इस डांस में आपकी बॉडी, आपकी एक्सप्रेशन, आपका माइंड सभी इंक्लूड होता है और इमोशंस के साथ इसमें डांस होता है. दैट इज़ एक्चुअली अ कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस. वैसे कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस के कई सारे और भी फॉर्म्स हैं. मॉडर्न कंटेम्प्रेरी हो गया, जैज़ कंटेम्प्रेरी हो गया, बैलेट कंटेम्प्रेरी हो गया. तो ये इसके डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स हैं आगे. बेसिकली जो इसकी जो बेसिक नॉलेज है वो यही है कि ये डांस फॉर्म फ्रीडम देता है आपको डांस करने का. यू कैन मूव योर बॉडी इन एनी डायरेक्शन और इन एनी वे, बट योर बॉडी शुड बी इन लाइन, शुड बी इन अ लीनियर, मतलब एक एक्सटेंशन होने चाहिए बॉडी के अंदर. दैट्स रिक्वायर्ड. बाकी ये डांस फॉर्म फ्री है, फ्रीडम देता है आपको डांस करने की. ओके, सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आवर डांस रूटीन ऑफ कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस today, we will do a little warm up according to your dance style. Okay, so let's start the warm up. This is your song for today. We will do warm up on this song only. Okay, so now stand like this, open, parallel, relax. Now go down,
voices in my mind that say I'm
and
not
stretch,
enough.
and up, and stretch.
Every single
Now.
lie that tells me I will never measure love.
Up, stretch. Again, one more
And
time.
just the sound of every high and every low.
Up,
Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. And you say I am held when I'm falling short. And when I don't belong,
point it.
You'll have every failure, God. You'll
Point
have
it.
every victory.
Point it. Roll the leg, point it.
You say I love, but I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong,
Relax.
but I think I'm weak.
Side.
You say I am held,
Yes.
but I am
Stretch your thigh. Inner thigh. Now slowly move to the next side. Stretch. Side. Front. Again other side. Stretch. Come forward again. Stretch your inner thigh. Close your legs. Up. Stretch. And up. Relax. This is your warm up, and warm up is done now. So now we are going forward to our dance routine. जो आज का हमारा डांस रूटीन है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू वन बाय वन स्टेप. ओके, so before that you have to sit down, everyone. For this routine you have to sit down on floor like this. Okay, sit everyone, and your back should be straight. Okay, your back should be straight and your neck is down. Okay everyone, your neck is down, your back should be straight, and you look slowly up with your neck. You look slowly up. So this is the count: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here is the count: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first step. You have to slowly look up one on the count: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As I told you, this dance is basically based on emotion and feel. So you have to feel it. You have to feel the floor by doing this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, got it? So from the beginning we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to do this step 8 times. Okay, or on count. After that, after completing these both steps, you have to open your legs like this. You have to open your legs like this. Your legs is pointed. Your legs should be pointed like this. Okay, so you have to open your legs. Okay everyone, again one more time. You have to sit like this. You are sitting like this, and you have to open your legs like this. Okay, then up your legs like this, and then push your right hand on your right knee to go down your legs, then left leg to go down your left leg. Okay, so this is the steps. One more time I will do on count. What's the count for this step? Here we counted 4. ठीक है, 4, 5, 6, ठीक है, 7, 8. Okay, this is the count. One more time, you have to count 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the count. Now I will do from the beginning. Okay, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, till here we will do it on music. Let's see how it does look like on music. Okay, so till here we will do it on music. Listen the music and follow my steps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I keep fighting
Got it?
voices in my mind that say
I hope you guys will get it. Okay? One more time. One more time till here on music. Okay? Sit like this, everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I keep fighting
it?
voices in my mind.
Got it till here? Now we will move forward. From here, you have to do, your hand is here, your last movement is like this. 1, 2, then you put your hands here, 1, 2, okay? After that you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After that, after this step, you have to do 1. You are asking God, asking to God something. Like you have to pray for yourself. So your hand position is like this. Okay? Towards the sky. Okay? So from here you have to do 1. ठीक है? Your legs or your hand should be in sync. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Okay? And 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, very slowly, you have to raise your head up. 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay? So from here we will do on count. Okay? अब ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Till here. From the beginning till here we will do on count. See one more time. Okay? So you are sitting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole count for this step. Okay? So let's do it on music one more time till here. Okay? You will come to know on which music it is coming or not. Okay? So let's start. here one more time. Let's check out how it is look like. Okay, one more time. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough.
Okay, got it?
Every single
I hope you guys got it till here. Okay, यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि कितना कौन से म्यूज़िक पे कौन सा स्टेप आ रहा है. मैं एक बार और करती हूँ इसको ऑन म्यूज़िक. एवरीवन विल डू विद मी और ऑन दिस म्यूज़िक. ओके, द सॉन्ग नेम इज यू से. ओके, सो लेट्स सी वन मोर टाइम. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough.
Okay? Okay? So complete this step till here. Okay everyone? यहाँ तक आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है इस म्यूज़िक पे. यहाँ तक इन स्टेप्स को क्लियर करना है अच्छे से ऑन म्यूज़िक. सॉन्ग का नाम मैं आप लोगों को बता चुकी हूँ. सॉन्ग का नाम है यू से. ओके, इसके लिरिक्स भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं कि आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि म्यूज़िक क्या बोल रहा है. ओके, सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग टिल हियर एवरीवन एंड विल सेंड यू फॉरवर्ड steps in next video. So bye bye, take care everyone.